We thought we knew speed. We thought we knew immersion. But every pilot who strapped on a pair of goggles knew the secret, dirty truth, the compromise. FPV demanded sacrifice, sacrificing safety for speed, or image quality for agility. Until now, DJI has been building a monster in the dark, a drone so advanced, it will redefine what we call flight. This is the DJI Avata 3, and if you own an Avata 2, you are about to feel a sickening drop in your stomach. The leaks are real. The upgrades are terrifying. And the future of cinematic FPV is about to get a 1-inch sensor upgrade and a 140 km/h adrenaline shot. Do not buy another FPV drone until you hear this. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Let's talk about the absolute game changer. The camera system. The Avata 2 gave us 1/1.3 inches of decent quality. The Avata 3, according to every credible source, is jumping to a massive 1-inch CMOS sensor. This is not an upgrade, it's a revolution in the FPV world. 1 inch means the nightmare of low-light noise, gone. 1 inch means dynamic range that can handle the harsh contrast of a sunset dive without crushing the blacks or blowing out the highlights. But the true power lies in the frame rate. 4K video at a confirmed 120 frames per second. 120 frames per second. This is true, hyper-smooth, cinematic slow motion that was previously impossible without sacrificing the FPV experience. Think of the drama. Think of the detail. You're not just flying a drone anymore. You are commanding a flying cinema camera. This single feature alone makes the Avata 3 mandatory for every content creator in the USA. Now, let's talk about flight dynamics. The Cinewhoop category has always been about tight, controlled flying. The Avata 3 is rumored to maintain that precision while injecting raw, untamed speed. We're hearing leaks of enhanced motors and a new 4-blade propeller design that pushes the maximum speed to a rumored 140 km/h. That is over 85 miles per hour. This isn't just for straight-line speed. This power translates into an unbelievable thrust-to-weight ratio, allowing the drone to recover instantly from aggressive dives and radical maneuvers. And the flight time. With an optimized battery and a more efficient propulsion system, leaks suggest we will be pushing well past the 30-minute mark. That's enough time for 2 full cinematic runs on a single charge. No more landing in the middle of the perfect shot. The power is there, the efficiency is there, and the airtime is now on your side. The biggest fear in FPV is the crash. The expensive, heartbreaking loss of your rig. The Avata 3 has reportedly addressed this with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. This is not the standard front and back sensing you know. Leaks indicate the inclusion of LiDAR technology and multiple visual sensors, giving the Avata 3 a 360-degree digital awareness of its environment. This allows for incredibly tight, safe flying in challenging environments like forests or interiors. The improved return-to-home RTH function, utilizing the OcuSync 4.0 or possibly O4+ transmission system, is rumored to be more reliable and faster than ever, giving pilots an unprecedented level of confidence.